Hi there. So this platform is inspired from the Solana mini hackathon. So actually I created from the scratch and finally I deploy on the server. And this platform is helping to someone that are send the transaction in bulk. Not someone so frustrated from the transact to one by one to someone wallet address, right? So this platform it help that want to someone suppose multiple wallet address they have and they want to send transaction with one a single click. So this platform it will helpful, right? So uh, this platform this here you can just add your address, set amount, and just click on the single click, just confirm, and you will able to send a transaction, right? So here we'll just click on the trial, or maybe you just click on the get started, and it will open Google, sign in with the Google, and you just sign in your, choose your email ID, and you can just set it. Actually I also before recording, so I added some transactions, so now this is actually visible, right? When you have the data, so platform it looks like code, so just like that. So actually I added before to transaction, it is working fine. And so for that, for sending the send bulk transaction, so first I want to connect wallet. So that's the first thing. Just first I connect the wallet and it will connect it. I have the 27.78 for Sol. So here you just click on the bulk transaction. Here this platform you will have the filtering option by country, by email ID, by name, by date range. Suppose you have the you have some forget some name or email ID or wallet address, and you have some idea, okay, I did I think 15 August to 24 August 2023. So you just give the date range and just give your data, and it will just filtering the data and it will say, oh, data is or not, and you will see the all the data, right? Here you will just select all the all the wallet address, selected users, and you just initiate the transfer. Actually I buy the subscription plan, so we will able to select up to 10 wallet address. Actually we have the billing part, so I have the gold plan, so I will able to 10 wallet address, so I will able to send the transaction, right? So if you have not subscribed, so you will able to send up to 3 wallet address and you will initiate the transfer. If you have actually you have buy the subscription plan, so you will able to send the transaction with a one single click up to 10 wallet address. So here I subscribe my plan, so you can just initiate the transfer. And here is the option, you will not want to send the Elon Musk, so definitely you can just remove it. And here you have option, so how much you want to send Sol. So I want to Sol, one Sol each, so I have the 4 wallet address, so here I want to send 4 Sol. So here you just click on the confirm transfer, so it will processing the transfer under the hood, and it will just giving the pop-up, and it will say you really want to send a transaction to this DApp. You just say yeah, I want to confirm. If you have the transaction successful, so it will transact and it will redirect to the payment history, and here you will able to see the whole the transaction, and you also able to time. So this is a one amount of Sol actually you transacts, and this is signature. When you click on this signature, it will redirect to the Solana Explorer, and here you will able to see the all the details in minor, everything you just want to see. And this is not the mainnet, it's the DEMnet, and you just change the network and DEMnet. Here you will able to see the whole the data, inspect this signature, standard time, and this is a transaction fee 0.00025. This is 750 fee sold, right? And this is actual wallet address, and this is the you send to this wallet address, and +1 +1 +1 will transact, right? And this is a computer set you need, and everything you will able to see the data here, right? So you just move on the billing part, and and here you will just want to upgrade yourself, right? Just click on the select plan and you want to just click on the single click, and I want to send up to 50 wallet address. So you will able to, okay, not 50, you up to 20 bulk transaction. You can select the 20 wallet address at one time, and you will able to select the transaction, but for that you must to pay the 50 sol per month. And if you buy it, so then up to 20 wallet address you will choose, and you will able to send the transaction at one single click, right? And actually we have the current plan have the 10 sol per month, and we will able to send the 10 bulk transaction at a single click, so we will able to send the transaction. And this is the searching and everything you will search, and here you just add the click on add recipient. So if you have the data, right? Suppose you want to add maybe Amit Kumar, and this email ID is the amit@kiranastore.com, and wallet address this, and select country, this is the India, and you want to add the recipient. I hope wallet is good, right? Okay, add, and you just select the Amit Kumar. You want to send the only transaction to only Amit Kumar, so you will also able to send the transaction, right? And you just confirm, and how much you want to send the sol. I want to 0.1 sol, and just confirming, and it will open the pop-up of the wallet, and you just confirm the transaction. Just click and verify, yeah, you want to transact to someone, or this is not guaranteed, but yeah, I want to send, confirm. I just confirming, and it will transaction successful. And here, and the high of the wallet address, so here I want to just paste it, so it will verify. And here so this is validated, this is validated, this is validated. Three transactions have the same wallet address, so this is this is the filtering the data, right? So when you have the actual data, right, so definitely all person have the not the same wallet address, not the same email ID. Maybe option here we can also add the verify the email ID, everything you can. I will also able to add the, but this is the especially for the Solana mini hackathon, and I want to just share my skills. Yeah, I am able to done it, I am able to complete it, I am able to write the code from scratch, and also I will able to deploy the code on the server. So I done it, right? I am done it. So I am very satisfied with this work, and this is finally done it. And I definitely I not want to I want to disconnect my wallet, right? Or maybe I want to change the wallet. I not want to phantom, I want to backpack. So definitely I want to change the wallet. So for that you must have the just give the password. So when you give the password, and I hope no, yeah, so I want to approve, yeah, I want to approve, and this will connect the wallet. And this wallet address I have the 23.6844425 sol, and I want to change the mainnet network. Yeah, definitely I can change, but in mainnet network I have no any sol, so definitely here we show the 0.00 sol. And this is the button, and I just click on the logout, and it will the finally session will be goes out, and it will redirect to the home page. So after clicking, and it will redirect to the home page. Okay, bye, thank you.